Who cares? Take number 575. Hello, Michelle. Who cares? I can tell you that in the state of Oregon, the state Senate and the courts, they don't care. Gender discrimination against men in the Oregon judiciary, at least in the realm of family law, is alive and well. If you happen to be an unmarried male in the state of Oregon, these are some of the facts as they pertain to you. Fact: a child born in the state of Oregon to unwedded parents is considered a bastard in the eyes of the law. Fact: fathers are not allowed presumed parent status, however women are. This has tremendous legal ramifications down the road. Fact: you are not allowed to pay money for child support reasons pre-paternity establishment. If you do, those monies can be considered a gift, and once a judge finds that you are the father, all child support owing is retroactive to the month that your child was born, which automatically puts you in arrearages. Fact: the state of Oregon will deny your due process rights and ask in the U.S. State Department to revoke your passport privileges for being in automatic arrears because you're deemed a quasi-criminal and a flight risk. Fact: if you're in arrears long enough because you're having a hard time paying your debt down of the sudden arrearage, you can lose your driver's license, thus making it even harder to go to work to earn a living to pay your child support. You can also lose your business license, your pilot's license, your hunting license, your fishing license. Any license the state gives you, they can take it away. Finally, the biggest, scariest fact of them all: you can be charged with a felony and sent to prison simply because you lost your job and become poor. So let me ask you this. Is it true that all men are created equal? Think about this for a minute. Men cannot win automatic custody of their children unless the mother is a danger to them. Even if the man earns more money, has a more stable home and a stable job, while the mother moves around a lot, doesn't hold down a job, and has questionable friendships, 9 times out of 10, you ain't getting your kids. Also, the court, with no apparent technical reasons other than punishing the father of having a child, can, and in my case did, order the father to obtain a life insurance policy payable to the mother upon the death of the father. Research shows very few, if any, women are ordered to do the same, as if they passed away, the father would then inherit the children. The courts refuse to order at least joint custody unless both parents agree to it. This means that the father has no legal say-so over major decision-making powers, and may I add that if both parents were capable of agreeing on joint custody, wouldn't need it in the first place. So, with that being said, my battle cry, a little poem by William Ernest Henley. It's called Invictus, and it goes like this. Out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I think whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. In the fell clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under the bludgeonings of chance, my head is bloody but unbowed. Beyond this place of wrath and tears looms but the horror of the shade, and yet the menace of the years finds and shall find me unafraid. It matters not how strait the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. This is the state that we live in. This is the reason why I'm going to school to be an attorney, and this is an affront on all human rights. So I talked to you today about the inequality of the family court system in the state of Oregon. You may not know who cares on my situation on a personal level, but I do, and I want to introduce you to him. This is my son, Kai, and he's the reason why I'm doing what I'm doing. He cares, and Daddy's not going to let him down. Bottom line. Thanks.